how to fix your iPad Apple Pencil not charging. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your compatibility. Make sure that your Apple Pencil is compatible with your iPad. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check your battery status. You want to go to Today View Battery Widget, and if it shows 0% or not charging, try another step. The other thing you can try to do is reattach and realign. Remove the Apple Pencil and reattach it to the magnetic connector and make sure that it is aligned properly. You want to also clean the magnetic area, wipe the magnetic area on iPad and the flat edge of the Apple Pencil with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Remove any kind of case, skin, or sticker that may block the magnetic connection. Even thin covers can also interfere. If nothing works, try restarting your iPad or updating your iPad. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.